Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again on normalization. Okay, part 1. Right. Actually, this is more on Q&A, questions and answer. Okay, the main purpose. Okay, we want to simplify the topic of normalization. Same as previously, learn by example, and I'm hoping that this is a fast track learning. And the main important thing is you will enjoy learning. Okay, okay. The example is on EDZ stationary order. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, yeah, I'll give you the data of ABZ stationery. Okay, this is form. Okay, so this is a form order. We can call it a receipt order. Okay, from ABZ stationery. Okay, the problem is how to key in the data from order form, ABZ stationery. So how can we key in? How can we manage the data from the receipt? Right? So first you have to transform the data into table. Right? Based on the data from the receipt, you transform the data into table. Okay, so I think we have so many attributes on the receipts. Okay, look back the receipt. Right. Okay, so this is about order number, customer name. Okay, we can call this. This is attribute, product number, description, quantity, unit price. Okay, this is another order number, right? With their own product description and quantity, and also unit price. Okay, different dates. Okay, some case the receipt uh the receipt itself, okay, it is not produce the relevant data, okay, to manage. I mean, sometimes maybe we have any numbering here, number one, number two, or anything, okay, value that you feel that it is not relevant. So I think we can ignore to manage the raw data. We will take only the valuable value, okay, the valuable data, okay, from the receipt or any form, okay, that given to you, right? But in this case, all these data is very valuable, so you have to manage. You have to transform to the table. Okay, so from the receipt we have order number, customer number, all these things. Okay, we have two different receipts, so you can put all the data, transform the data into the table on the proper table. Okay, so the question is, once you put it like this, is this one an F table? Okay, remember on previous video on normalization 2, okay, if you look at here, if empty cell consists, so we can say that this is not one NF yet, okay, because the table contains one or more repeating groups, such as product number, product description, quantity, unit price for one order. This one also same for another order. So if you see that the cell here is still empty, we can say that this is not one NF. Okay, that's the very basic tips I can share with you. Right? Okay, so what to do? Okay, before we fix it, okay, you should answer the questions. What's the problem with the table? If the table is like this, we have empty cell here. Any problems? Yes. You know why? Actually, it can produce anomalies, updates, insert and deletion anomalies. What is it, anomalies? Okay, anomalies. For example, for update anomalies. Okay, what's the effect of update anomalies? If you want to update product number, okay, for example, if you want to update product number, okay, this is product number. If you want to update product number, or you want to modify, okay, AB11 to AB13, you have to modify so many times, repeatedly, in different rows. Okay, in this case, you are not modify only one row, but you have to check each row. Is it consists AB111? AB11 is not here, AB11 is not here. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. Okay, another row, AB11 here, so you have to modify repeatedly. So, in other words, you have to modify so many times. So, this is the example of update anomalies. Right, next is what we call is uh, insert anomalies. All right, insert anomalies. Okay, what's the effect actually? What's the effect of insert anomalies? What's the effect if you see, if you want to insert new product, okay, if you want to insert new product, let's say sharpener, you want to insert new product sharpener, right? You have to assign to the new order. In this case, you have to create dummy data, okay, for order number, just for insert new product. Okay, a simple word you can say that to insert A, let's say to insert sharpener, you have to insert order number. So this is the example of insert anomalies. Previously, it's about updating. Sorry, I go back to update. Update, the simple word is if you want to change A, need to change all instances of A. If you want to change AB11, so you have to change all instances of AB11. Alright? Okay, this is for update. Insert. To insert A must insert B. To insert sharpener, you have to insert order number. Since it don't have any order, so you have to create any dummy data for order number. Okay, this is the example of insert anomalies. Alright, in this case for delete anomalies, okay, let's say, look at the example. If I want to delete order number 1322, so actually it will delete together the info on product pencil and pen. Okay, which the product number is okay, 1322. We delete info pencil product TS17. Okay, TS17, which does not exist on order number 1321. Okay, so means that once you delete the order number 1322, okay, all the info of the products will be deleted together. Okay, in this case, pen we can refer on order number. The info of pen we can refer on order number 1321. But pencil with the product number TS17, we cannot refer to any order number of 1321 because pencil is not here. So the info of pencil is deleted. Okay, instead of we want the info of pencil is still exists in the data, but it's deleted. Okay, but pen, this is because of the order number of 1321 have the info of pen. It's okay, but for pencil, so it is deleted together. In other words, deletes order number will delete together the info of product. Okay, this is the example of delete anomalies. Alright, next. Okay. How to solve the problem of anomalies? Yeah, that is we call you have to normalize the table. You have to normalize. Okay, so we will go through normalization process, which you will learn how to create 1NF to 3NF table. Alright. Okay, for 1NF, actually we already learned in the previous video. Okay, for 1NF, we have steps. Okay, to create 1NF, you have to entering data into empty columns. Just now is empty cells. So you have to entering the data. Okay, complete the cells here with the relevant data. Alright. And then you if you look at here, it is not yet 1NF because primary key is not determined yet. Okay, this is not 1NF yet. Okay, so you have to identify primary key. If you look at here, okay, how to fix primary key? We have this order number. Order number is a common, also same as a previous on students tables. Metric is a common primary key, same as for order table. Okay, order number is a common primary key, but order number is no longer to be uniquely to identify each row. Okay, we have so many values for one primary key order number, so it is no longer enough to be uniquely identifies each row. So what you have to do is it should combine with another primary key. In this case, is product number. Okay, customer number. Okay, this is not relevant. Okay, to combine with primary key order number. Product description quantity, you will see that this is not unique. Okay, you can see that here quantity 100, this is 100, okay, this is not unique. Okay, product description, okay, you can see that this is pen, so this is not unique, but product number is a unique. Okay, product number is a unique. The combination of product number is a unique. Okay, so order number combined with product number together can be uniquely to identify for each row. Right. Okay. Okay. Then, so is it already 1NF? Oh, make sure that, okay, the PK you have to underline. Then you can say that, okay, the table for 1NF is completed. Alright? Okay, I think that's all for today, to be continued on the next 2NF and 3NF. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.